of the just concluded successful government election, today we take cognizance of the inauguration of victorious candidates, majority of which come from the administration. And with the new leadership of our local government, I work with great determination to wage war with evil forces like our community. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, I am here once again in this momentous event, happily pledging my full support to the administration. Because I believe na ako po'y naniniwala na pag may magandang pagkakaisa, progreso ang ating mga kampanya. Again, my dear brothers and sisters, ating kalimutan ang mga masasamang nakaraan, ating harapin ang magandang kinabukasan para sa ating bayan. Sa dalawang termino, sa 6 na taong paglilingkod ko sa inyo bilang konsehal, I encountered bad and good experiences. Dahil na siguro sa pagkakaiba ng pananaw at sa di karapat-dapat na gawa sa politika. Today, my dear friends, I extend my hand in the name of friendship and unity. Nothing is impossible to work all together if we support one another. As for us, the famous saying goes, united we stand, divided we fall. Congratulations to my fellow worthy public officials with a common understanding and cooperation, with God's blessings, with the intercession of Mama Mary, Our Lady of God, whose feast is about to be celebrated in July 2nd. Yes, it is my wish and desire for a progressive and peaceful community in Biak, the home of the miraculous Lady. Bago ko po tapusin ang ipananalita, may I extend my gratitude to my wife, Myra, to my children, Mark and May, for the strength and inspiration to keep on, to my loving mother, Mama Eric, my loving and very supportive in-laws, Mr. and Mrs. Bonifacio Miguel, my brothers, Narciso and Salvi, my sister Nika, for their all-out support and prayers. To all my relatives, maraming salamat po. To my party mates, sa mga aral na aming natutunan sa iba't ibang karanasan. To my best friend and classmate, Mr. Ferdinand Yon, thank you very much for the all-out support. To the SP and LDU family, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pagtulong niyo sa akin para magampanan ko po ang aking tungkulin. At sa mga taong tumulong po sa akin sa pangangampanya, thank you very much. Most of all, I thank you, my dear Cateños, for the love, for the trust and confidence. To Mama Mary, for a peaceful and honest election. Today, my dear friends, I start my third term, my last term as Sangguniang Bayan member of Yan. I will continue to serve you sincerely and honestly, without fear and without favor. My love and respect I will give to all of you, my dear Cateños. God bless us all.